Good morning, everyone. It's One Great Vacation. Today is our third day of our trip. We're still at the Grand Canyon. We got up to see the sunrise this morning. It's about 6:30 in the morning. Sun should be up in about 10 minutes, 15 minutes. It's going to be a glorious day. First rays of the sun are hitting the canyon. Golly, it doesn't get much more beautiful than this. It is now 7:05. The sun is coming up in the canyon. It's a glorious morning to be alive. I don't know how many people had breakfast sitting on the rim of the Grand Canyon with their families at 6:45 in the morning, but I'm one of them, and it was beautiful. We are at the Powell Memorial. This is called Powell Point. Looks pretty cool. Grand Canyon's on both sides of us here.
I really feel like rocking. Okay, we are at the ancient Aztec temple.
Want to see something? Ooh, look at there. Hopi Point. Awesome. Awesome. Blossom. Look at that.
Like your mom.
Wow.
Like your mom.
Beautiful. Alright, everybody, we're at the Watchtower. This is the Desert View Watchtower. We're at the tip of the Grand Canyon up here. We're going to go up in this dude just a few minutes. Alright, this is the first floor of the Watchtower. That's awesome. Navajo paintings or Chippewa or Indian paintings. We're gonna go up there, which is pretty cool. So we are in the tower, watchtower. This is out one of the windows. Beautiful view of the river. We're in a replica of some kind of Indian tower watch, but technically it's modern construction. It's built out of steel, and it sits right on the edge of the canyon here. Quite interesting. We're way up, as you can see, the people down there, and able to look out on the canyon and get a different perspective. Very cool. This is where we ate lunch. We just had Navajo tacos, and man, they were awesome. Nice place. Very cool bridge where we ate. Just wanted to get a picture of it. It's an old bridge. It's out of commission now. Very nice. Here we are at the Lomaki ruins. We're gonna go up to this side first, and then we may go over there. Beautiful day. Here we are at the first ruins. Definitely found some ruins. Not a lot to see, but a bunch of piles of rocks. Interesting architecture. See how the rocks are separated with mud? They built the Winnipesaukee Visitor Center. Okay, maybe it's the Wupataki Visitor Center. Winnipesaukee, Wupataki, I don't, yeah. I'll put a link down there. These are the Wupaki ruins. Yes, we got it translated. It was a nice little ranger told us it's Wupaki. We're gonna follow this trail, flesh all this out. Alright, so this is a Wupaki blowhole, but it's a barometer. When the air goes in like it is right now, can y'all hear that? Yeah, when it goes in, that means that you're going to have this kind of sky, blue. When the air comes out, it's fixing to rain. So even back 1,000 years ago, the Indians could tell beforehand if it was going to rain or not rain. Very interesting. These beams have been in place for 800 years. So we're standing here at the Sunset Crater. This mountain right in front of me was an active volcano that erupted 1,000 years ago. And it's coated the whole land in black. So this is an old lava flow that came off of the mountain there and flowed down through this low spot. That's crazy. I'm standing where there was molten lava at one time. So we've arrived at our hotel. This is the Desert Quail Inn. It's actually a motel, I should say. Looks pretty clean. Hopefully it'll sleep one night here. We're outside of Sedona, about 7 miles in Oak Creek Village is what this is called. We're fixing to go find something to eat, get in our room, and then we'll go back to sleep, get up in the morning, try to catch sunset somewhere, and do a little hiking.